So, welcome to Tabitha Betancourt, my channel. I wanted to come on real quick. I'm sitting here editing another video, and I see off into the side, I get this email that you're seeing up on the screen, Echo Park Paper Warehouse box sale. Now, I have never been able to participate in this, one, because I wasn't subscribed to their email list. And this came out literally 10 minutes before I'm recording this, and I'm going to upload it immediately. The sale ends August 23rd at 11:59 p.m. And as you see in the next slide, it is actually $50 of a box, and it says that it contains over $200 worth of items, so it's a 75% off sale. Now, my biggest thing was I loved watching all of the unboxings, of which I will be doing here an unboxing of it all. Here you see the actual Echo Park Paper Company. That is, the shipping was $15.43. So total for the box was $65.43. I just think this is going to be absolutely fun. One, because it is my favorite paper company, and two, because I just want to see a surprise. So I just wanted to let you guys know Echo Park is having their warehouse sale for 2019. I'm going to upload this now so you guys can all get it and they can be successful in their sale and have a great day. And thanks for watching.